Hey guys, so I wanted to show you my latest collection that I picked up from Louis Vuitton, and this is from the re-edition. I was waiting to get additional products that I told were ordered, but so far I don't think that they're actually ordered. I don't think they're actually going to come back into stock. This is the Louis Vuitton and Murakami line, the re-edition, and it was crazy. I tried to get products through my essay, and he was not responding to my messages. I know that the day that the re-edition came out, like the 3rd of this month. Okay, the 3rd of this month. It was like a 2-hour wait to get into the Tampa Louis Vuitton store, and they did not have very much. Obviously, you guys have probably seen all the videos where they're saying that, you know, everything was sold out. They were saying everything had been like gifted to influencers, or people did like pre-orders, and so there just wasn't a lot of inventory. By the time that I got there later that evening, I did not have an appointment or anything like that, and I was like, I'm just gonna come in and see what they have, what's left, and see if I can get anything. And like I had like a short list of things that I wanted, so that I could be in and be out like fairly fast. Okay, so everyone is really disappointed that they did not get the special packaging, and you know, I really wish that I could say I got the special packaging, but I did not. I got the regular bag. I did not get any special wrapping, no like stickers, no ribbon, no tissue paper, none of that. But to make matters worse, I bought a pair of shoes. I was lucky enough to get 2 items. I bought a pair of shoes, and they did not even come with a box. Not even a regular orange box. And never have I ever bought a pair of shoes from Louis Vuitton that didn't come in a box. And I don't know where the box was or what happened to the box. I don't know like the answer to any of those questions. My essay said that he was going to get me a proper box, as well as the proper bag and the tissue paper and the ribbon. Like I said, I have not heard back from him, and I have waited 2 weeks, so I'm just going to assume that it's probably not going to happen. But these are the shoes that I purchased, and it was a toss-up between this shoe and another shoe. And I honestly have a bunch of these shoes already in the other style that these came in. So they had these in my size, which is a 38. So I just decided to get these. They fit perfectly well. They're very, very comfortable. They're really cute. And I don't have any wedge espadrilles from Louis Vuitton. So as you can see, it has all of the colors. I believe it's supposed to be 32 colors, you know, and all of this obviously is leather. And on the inside, it says the collaboration right here. And on the bottom, you have the LV stamp. So yes, for those of you who didn't get any of the special like packaging, I didn't even get a box for these shoes. So if I needed to take them back, I'm just gonna walk in there with a pair of shoes and I'm gonna look crazy, in my opinion. They're gonna be like, where's the box? And I didn't get one. Okay, so the next thing that I had a box for this, and this is going to be a belt. So like I said, there was very little things left when I got there. Very, very little. And so I wanted the scarf, but they did not have the scarf. So I got the belt. And this is the smallest belt that they have. On me, it's still a little big, but I can make it work. And it goes through on the back side, and then as you see, it has a hook on this side, and you can just push it through the hole. So this is the last hole right there, and you push it through. Since it's a new belt, it's like kind of hard to get it in there, but there we go. So you push it through the hole. That's how that is. And this is basically the belt. It's very, very cute. I like this purchase a lot. I think that it was a good choice. So there you have it. I have the belt, I have the shoes. Those are going to look very cute together. And that's it. That is my complete haul.